Hi, I'm Des from NJS Services. At NJS Services, we are a builders and property maintenance contracting company covering the northeast of England. We specialize in property renovations, plumbing, electrics, damp proofing, plastering, joinery, roofing, bricklaying, handyman, builders, landscaping, groundworks, drainage, flood damage repair and fire damage repair, and much, much more. At NJS Services, we take pride in all of our work, giving you a 100% guarantee on all work carried out, whether it be a regular plumbing job to a full property renovation. We also offer finance on a variety of jobs, such as new kitchen replacement, new bathroom suite, new roof, or a total renovation. Need an emergency plumber? We can help. Window board ups? No problem. At NJS Services, we have you covered, whether it be insurance work or just a simple one-off job. Our multi-skilled contractors come second to none. All of our staff are qualified professionals, some with over 40 years experience within the trade. NJS Services is one of the leading contractors around the northeast of England, and we will go that extra mile to make sure you are always 100% happy with the job, which is why we get so much repeat work. A reliable service with top quality workmanship every time. We can cover everything from start to finish. Whether you are an estate agent, letting agent, insurance company, the council, landlord, or the public, we are here for you every step of the way. Don't be fooled by cowboy builders or wasting your time with Check a Trade or Trust a Trader. Cut out the middleman. One call does it all with NJS Services. We are the real A-team for builders, property maintenance, and renovations. Our emergency plumbers come second to none with a fast and reliable service every time. So what are you waiting for? Contact us today on 07930-113-446 or in an emergency, call 07494-903-945. Please take a little time to look around our website. There is much to see with regular updates. We look forward to taking your call. My name is Des, and thank you for taking the time to view our website. Your custom is always much appreciated.